Step into the world of artificial intelligence and discover a novel way to generate income. Creating and selling AI-generated artwork. First, dive into learning. Acquire the necessary skills to use AI software such as DeepArt or Deep Dream, which can transform your simple sketches into mesmerizing masterpieces. Next, create your unique artwork. Let your creativity flow and allow the AI to add its touch. Remember, the more distinctive your art, the more it stands out in the market. Then, set up your digital shop. Platforms like OpenSea or Rarible are perfect for showcasing and selling your AI-generated art pieces. Finally, promote your work. Utilize social media platforms and art forums to reach a wider audience. The future is here and it's time to embrace it. AI-generated artwork, a blend of technology and creativity, could be your next big break. Remember, every great artist was once an amateur. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and smash the bell for more content. Get our free affiliate AI toolkit, link in description.